Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be creating this very delicate, clean, chic look for you guys. So if you wanna know how I got this look, please keep on watching. To prep my face, I'm first starting with PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. Post that, I'm using this hydrating primer by Makeup Forever on my dry patches. And because the rest of my face falls into the normal category, I'm using this hydrating primer by Milani. Because I don't have huge pores on my forehead and my nosy, I'm applying the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. And for my under eyes, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer because I have huge pores in this region. I'm first color correcting under my chin and around my mouth with the Miss Claire salmon color corrector. It's important to first color correct before you apply any sort of foundation to cancel out those blue undertones of the pigmentation that might peek through if you directly go in with a foundation or a concealer. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9, and I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it into my skin, as using a brush can move the color corrector that I've applied underneath my foundation. To highlight my high points like my under eye area, chin, forehead and nosy, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude and Beach Sand. What it will do is that because this is lighter than my skin tone, it will bring these features forward, and to blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To bring back those shadows and structure to my face, I'll be using a powder contour. This one's from L'Oreal. In the hollows of my cheekbone, circumference of my forehead, and to my jawline, and to the sides of my nose with my angled brush. And to add some warmth to my face, I'll be using a bronzer right on top of my contour. This one's Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm applying this using my angled brush. And to clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the Pac Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and I'm blending this using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To add some color to my cheeks, I'll be using this deep magenta shade from Ofra Cosmetics high up on my cheeks to give a more lifted effect to my face. And for highlighter, I'm using the shade Moonstone from Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics with my fan brush. I'm just setting my lids with the new Masterfix Setting Loose powder. And here I'm just filling in the sparse area of my brows using the brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra eyeshadow palette. And I am using a spoolie to spread the color across so that it looks more natural. For my eyes, I'm starting with warming up my crease area with this deep brick shade Sienna from Soft Glam palette by EBH Cosmetics with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. To further deepen my crease, I'm using the same shade Sienna with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm blending it using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics, and I'm also depositing some of it in the outer corners of my eyes. For my lid, I'm going for the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Champagne with my small short shader brush. I'm not going ham with this eyeshadow as I don't want it to look too glittery. To top off the liquid eyeshadow, I'm dipping into the shade Shine from Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my small short shader brush. Next, I'm using the same shade Shine from Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette to brighten my inner corners and my brow bone with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. For my lower lash line, I'm just buffing out the same shade Sienna from Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my pack brush in the style 126. And to line my top lash line, I'm first using the liner from ABH Cosmetics because I'm still trying to adjust to it, so I later on switched on to Lakme Insta liner. And to set and seal everything in place, I'll be using a setting spray, and this one's by PAC. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'll be curling my lashes and I'll be coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For lipstick, I was vibing nude, so I picked up Tease by Faces Canada, but if you want, you can also rock a bold lip with this makeup look. And for falsies, I'm using the Ardell Natural Lashes in the style 102. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with my hoop earrings and my off-shoulder top. I love how delicate and wearable this look is. It's most definitely very versatile as well. If you want to amp it up, you can always go with a more bold color on your lips. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.